Hello, welcome back again. Let's look at lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple, popularly known as LCM, is the smallest number that given numbers can divide into equally. How do we mean by this? For example, 5 and 6 can divide into 30, 60, 90, 120, and so on. So we say 30 is the LCM of 5 and 6 because the smallest of all the possible numbers 5 and 6 can go into. There is no other number smaller than 30 that 5 and 6 can go into. That is why we say 30 is the least common multiple or the lowest common multiple. Now, how do we work out questions in terms of, for example, the LCM of 16 and 12 and LCM of 8 and 7? First, you start by listing the multiples of 16 and 12 till you get a common number. So that's one approach. So let's say 16, 32, 48, 64. Then we stop, then we try to do the same for 12. If we don't get a number that is listed in the 16 times table, then we need to keep on carrying on. So the 12 times table, we have 12, 24, 36, 48. And we've seen clearly that we've seen the first common number. Therefore, 48 is the least common multiple of 16 and 12. Now, can you try and do LCM of 8 and 7 yourself? Okay, I hope you've done it. Let's see what you have. So we're going to list the multiples of 8 and 7 till we get a common number, the first common number. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, and 64. Let's do the same for 7. And when you carry on, you realize that 56 is the first number that you see. Therefore, we say 56 is the least common multiple of 8 and 7. So this is how we find the LCM of two smaller given numbers. Now let's look at what if we have three numbers.